24th of June 2021. This is the last staircase in the residential building on Kalastajanmäki Fiskarbacka 10, the staircase F. And also the last one to be filmed because we are not filming staircase D as it's badly modernized by Espoo, you see. Generics. The capacity is 4 per story, 305 grams, and this is amazing. Staircase which original today. Built in late 1989 with Kone fixtures, finished in 1990 with sub 90 on the glass. Turned 30 years old between 2019 and 20, and for some strange reason, the staircase E is like blue turquoise, and this one is like so beige in color like this. So, like the staircase as A, B, and C. Pretty weird. Serial number is A65870, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. Also here the sticker is in both official languages, Swedish and Finnish. And it's weird that the staircase E only has 6 floors, and this one has 7.
Yeah. Iskut paki vai täältä meidän temppaista pois.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Please watch all the other staircases.